The echinacea is on its... The echinacea still has some blooms like these, but it's on its last leg and there are a lot of seed pods that need to be deadheaded. The echinacea seed heads are really cool, but the birds love them too, so I'm not going to deadhead. It's tough for me to catch the birds that are eating the seeds because they're so quick and they don't want to be near me, but I see them when I'm sitting in my car watching and looking at the garden. There's a really pretty goldfinch that constantly pecks the seeds off. So even though there's tons of seed pods, as you can see right there, I'm just gonna let him do his thing. That said, if I were to deadhead, I would follow the stem and see if there were any buds like this, and then I would cut right above. You can see that this bud right here is withered. It's not going to produce flowers for sure. This one looks good, and then lower down here there's another one that will flower. Just as an example, this is where I would cut, and that leaves that bud to bloom. The leaves have already started changing color because we've had some nights in the 40s. As you can see, there are already newer leaves at the bottom, so that means it's prepping for next year. If there weren't any potential flowers, I would just go down and cut all the way to the ground like this.